Can you believe it? I only got this for $15 and it actually fits all my gears well. But before we go talk about my bag, I'm going to give you guys a video tour on the updates that I've done to my studio space. So please take a look. Okay guys, a quick update. This was where my RX 100 used to be. I wanted to use the daylight to have a more natural feel to my videos. And I'm going ahead with my new setup right next to the window too. With my AX100 camcorder mounted up here and my RX 100 mounted up here. But today we're also going to be talking about this white board which I've got from IKEA. As you guys can see, I have this IKEA table which I mentioned in my video here. So what happened was at IKEA yesterday. So I actually spent my afternoon walking around IKEA looking for a table to be able to have my unboxing videos on. I wanted something clean to be able to put beside my window, as you guys can see, to be able to have an overview on the items that I'm going to be unboxing out. So I walked next to this aisle section which has unwanted stuff, and to my amazement, I saw a board that was exactly what I wanted. So I looked carefully and it was only $10. It really made my day yesterday. So this is going to change the whole view of how the videos and unboxing is going to be. I'm going to rely mostly on natural light as it gives a very nice shadow and highlights look to it. So to share a little bit about myself, I'm actually a food photographer. I look out for clients who need their photos taken for their menu or for their online websites. So a lot of the videos here are actually very food photography centered. But with that said, my interest varies from not just food photography but lifestyle and even drones and some of the vlogs if you guys have watched. So today I'm going to talk about my $15 bag here, and you guys can see the new setup on how it looks. So let's get started. So let me show you guys what's inside at the bottom compartment first. We have a very nice padded layer. Here I have my Canon 50mm 1.4, my 24mm 2.8, my Helios 58 f2, and my flash. So going to the top, I have my A7 II with my 16-35 f4 Carl Zeiss lens. I also have my tripod, Gizmo's tripod right here. So taking everything that I have in my bag apart, these are all the items that was able to fit in. So let me put everything back in and show you how it looks on me once again. So when you wear it at the front, it's just basically a sling bag. Just be careful not to unzip this part or have this part loose. If not, all your items will be able to fall out. So if you're wearing it tight and nicely, it should look something like this. So unfortunately, I'm actually quite petite, so I had to do some adjustments to be able to fit this right up here. So this bag is, in its raw form, is actually quite long. I'm only measuring about 1.6, so all those who are larger will not have any issue carrying this bag. So I hope you guys like this update and this bag that I featured right here. Please leave down in the comments below if you like this new look and setup to my channel. For all those who are new, please consider subscribing and give me a like. Comment down below what other things I could include in my next video or some of the items that you would like me to cover. And I'll see you in the next video.